ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಹಾ, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು.
नमस्कार बेंगलुरु.
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹಾ, कैसा लगा मूवी? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡ. We are here to promote our movie Baby Do Die Do. So thank you all for coming, and it's a very very small film that Saqib, Salim, my brother and I, we co-produced, and we releasing it on our own, and it just means a lot to us, the love that we have got from Bangalore. So just want to come here, say thank you to you all for the love you're showing us, and from the day one the movie released here to now, the shows are increasing, the fans are coming, they're liking the movie, and honestly, we're a very small film, so your love will make the film bigger, and your word of mouth is what will sustain us. So thank you so much. It's a very different kind of a movie. I'm playing a deaf and mute hit woman, and this is Rachit Singh. He's my
Namaskara Bengaluru. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for coming. As Huma said, it's a very small film, so please go and watch the film. And if you like it, please tell everyone to watch it and show your love to us. Thank you Bengaluru. Thank you so much.
See, I started my career with the Gangs of Wasseypur. That was my debut movie. And I feel like everything I am today is because of the success of that movie. And I feel my audiences and fans, they always expect me to do something different. So in my production also, I always want to do stories that push the narrative forward. If you keep making the same old story, then what is a challenge? And I also feel as an artist, as an actor, I am not growing at all. I feel, we all grow, and cinema grows when we are constantly pushing our boundaries of storytelling, of the way we shoot it. It doesn't matter that you always need to have like very large scale budgets to do things, but it is always about your intention. It is always about the intent to do something original, and it is also about never taking your audiences for granted. So I keep challenging myself. As an actor, I'm known for my dialogue delivery. So I always do, whether it's Maharani or Delhi Crime, I did Badi Didi. I keep changing my accent all the time. So in this film, the challenge was I don't say a word. So the whole movie I don't say a word at all. And then through my eyes, through my body language, through my expressions, through sign language, how do I communicate my emotions to the audiences? So I think the reaction that we are getting, because we are traveling across the country to different places, is very very heartwarming. It's been really really wonderful, and it's been really nice. Anyway, the audiences in Bangalore are supposed to always champion films from all over the country, in fact all over the world. So we always knew that this was a special place for us. Sign language expert who taught me actual sign language. And then of course I went to a school for kids with special needs. I spent a lot of time with children just to understand how they respond. And of course, not being able to speak or hear is a whole spectrum. So just trying to understand Baby Karmarkar, my character, is on what side of that spectrum. Yes, absolutely. But this is such a different film. एंड आई थिंक ये फिल्म भी बहुत मुश्किल था. हमको 4 साल लग गए पिक्चर बनाने में. ये स्क्रिप्ट मैंने पढ़ी थी आज से 4 साल पहले. परवेज शेख और जसमीत रीन ने इसकी कहानी लिखी थी. तब ना प्रोडक्शन हाउस था, ना पैसे थे, पता नहीं था कैसे बनाएंगे. तो तब हमने ये स्क्रिप्ट ले ली और फिर मैंने साकिब को भेजा कि यार ये मैं ना आई एम ट्राइंग टू सेट दिस फिल्म अप विद डिफरेंट डायरेक्टर्स, इट्स नॉट हैपनिंग, कैन यू हेल्प मी? देन साकिब, माई ब्रदर, ही रेड इट, ही रियली लाइक्ड इट. Then at that time we were working with Nachiket already. Single Salma हमने साथ में की थी. He even reciprocated even more nicely. And then of course he started rewriting it. We got another writer on board. फिर धीरे धीरे all the actors started coming in. I feel the beauty about this film is that all of us working on this film, all the actors, everybody, the production people, we all are friends and we all have grown up together or we know each other for years. So when you work with friends who are so close, it's a very very different feeling. Today also I think the movie is released, we are literally the next 5 days we'll be traveling to 5 places across the country, just talking to people about the film. Like we're going to say maybe Dehradun, which is not a very big market perhaps, but we know for the last 3-4 days our movies are showing houseful shows over there. So we want to go there, meet the fans, and have FaceTime with them and say thank you, or just try and understand our audiences better. A lot of people told us that you are coming in a month where there's such big releases. So we said, I don't care about other releases. I just care about finding my audiences and, appreciating them the way they appreciate us. In this film, everyone is dark. Sidhu, the character played by Rachit, is the only nice person in the film. So sensitive,
Very sensitive, sir.
Tell us, how was it working with Yash?
lovely, very nice, very nice. Last question, ji.
Same question.
Telepathy, huh? Same, huh? Yes, yes, yes.
अगर यश के बारे में आप कुछ कहना चाहते हो तो क्या कहना?
I mean, what can I say? Yeah, he's one of the biggest stars in the country, and I think I've learned so much just by watching him work, and I'm so inspired to be working with him. And he's just an incredible, incredible superstar and a person. Yeah.
एंटायर वर्ल्ड में अभी टॉक्सिक का बात चल रहा है लेकिन व्हेन इट कम्स टू बॉलीवुड व्हाट यू पीपल आर थिंकिंग टुवर्ड्स टॉक्सिक कैंडिडेट
The entire world is thinking about only toxic. I believe you, only toxic. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
everyone. Thank you for coming. And all I just want to say, again, it's a very small film. If you like it, please spread the word. We just need your love. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.